Hello children, in this video let's learn how to draw a bathroom set. First let me draw the bathtub. Let's draw the base of the bathtub. I am drawing the shower. I'm drawing a heart to give it a design. This is the shampoo bottle. Let's draw a cute duck. Let's draw the hanger. This is the towel. Let's draw a mirror. Now I am drawing a wash basin. Let's draw the tap. Now I'm going to use this marker to make it more visible. Let's learn some colors. Yellow color, orange color, red color, dark blue color, yellow color, light blue color, grey color, green color, pink color, light pink color and violet color. It's coloring time. Yellow color. This is light blue color. This is pink color. Sky blue color. Grey color. Red color. Let's color the towel with rainbow colors, red and then orange color. This is yellow color, light green color, light blue color, dark blue color, pink color, violet color, light green color, pink color. Let's color the duck with yellow color. Let's color the shampoo bottle. This is pink color, light blue color. This is orange color. Let's color the tub with multicolors. This is yellow color. Light green color. Dark blue color. red color. Wow, the bathroom set is ready. If you all like the video, please like and subscribe to our channel, friends. Bye bye.